sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. To get things started, we're going to mark out where our holes are going to be dug. You can place the tyres on the ground and then get a bit of limestone or paint or whatever you've got lying around to mark out where those holes are going to be. Before you get started with these pieces, especially ones where you're going to be digging a lot of earth, it's a great idea to test the soil and to see what you're going to be working with. If it's a really rocky earth, then it's going to make your life a lot harder, so try and find the space where it's going to be nice and easy for you to dig in. For this one, we're using about 60 or 70 mil bolts, then one washer and a double washer, so it's nice and fat. Whatever size hole you're doing, that's definitely not going to slip through, because this rubber, especially if it gets hot, can start to become a bit more malleable. A good way to make sure that all of your holes are going to be in the same spot is to make yourself a little template. This cardboard here that we're going to use, and we'll just mark out those holes so they're exactly the same spot for each one. And the bolts will go through nice and easy. Make sure you give all your tyres a really good clean before you start priming them, because otherwise you're just going to be painting on dirt and that's a bit silly. It won't last very long at all. Chuck your primer on and then oil-based paint as well to finish it off, so it'll last a long time. You want to make sure that they're packed really tightly. Get some water in there to condense that soil, make it really compact and tight, so they won't be moving anywhere and the kid can jump all over them freely. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.